Hi, I'm Sean and this is Kyle. We're your writing surface experts from Claridge Products. Today we're going to be doing an installation video on your MGMI. It's a glass marker board with an Invisimount hanger. The first thing you want to do when you receive this is inspect your packing material to make sure that your product is in good condition, that it hasn't had any shipping damage. First of all, you want to find your desired height on your wall. We've already done that, and we have found our right and our left. So we've marked our edge. Our hanger comes in 3 inches from the end of the board. End is going to be here. We're going to come in 3 inches for your Z-bar hanger to be mounted. We've already put our laser up, and so now we're ready to get our hanger off and mount it to the wall. Okay, at this point we're ready to install our MGMI. You'll measure down from the desired height of your glass board 1 inch and 9/16, and you'll place the bottom of your hanger on that line. We've already went and done that. We know that there's blocking, there's plywood behind this. If you don't have that, you're going to need to be able to find a stud, or you're going to need to be able to use the appropriate anchors for the wall. At this point, we will hang our tape measure on the top of this hanger, and we'll measure down 45 inches to be able to space our dual lock discs on the wall. You'll want those evenly spaced on your board. What Kyle and I like to do is come in 3 inches from each end and then evenly space the rest of them. You'll want to attach your tabs, making sure that they engage with the disc. At this point, we're ready to hang the board. Again, we have marked our right to left so we know our location. You'll want to go slightly above your hanger and then slide it in and to engage it. Once you've made sure that it's engaged, you'll simply press it to your dual lock discs, and you're done.